Are you looking for the best GIRIER TRV ZigBee Thermostatic Radiator? In this video we will look at some of the best GIRIER TRV ZigBee Thermostatic Radiator on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. GIRIER TRV ZigBee Thermostatic Radiator. Save on energy bills up to 30% per year. Experience up to 30% annual savings on your energy bills with our smart TRV programmable heating timer and smart scenes. Optimize your temperature control, while window open detection automatically adjusts to prevent energy waste. Fits 98% plus valve standards, designed to fit 98% plus of radiator valves. Our TRV seamlessly integrates with standard M30 by 1.5 mm valves. With included accessories, installation is hassle-free. Number 2. Moes Tuya Smart Wi-Fi ZigBee Thermostatic Radiator. Moes Tuya Smart Wi-Fi ZigBee Thermostatic Radiator Valve TRV Programmable App Remote Temperature Controller. Support Alexa, Google Home by Moes. ZigBee Gateway is required. Please purchase in addition. Smart Thermostat Radiator Valve App Remote Control Voice Control. Reliable design. Timer function. Easy installation with multiple adapters. With a variety of adapters, it is suitable for a variety of heating devices of different sizes, which is easy and effortless to install to bring you an easy lifestyle. Open window detection. The opening of the window can be detected by a rapid drop in temperature, and the valve will suspend heating for 30 minutes, to realize energy saving and environmental protection. Number 3. Tuya ZigBee Thermostat Radiator Actuator. Tuya ZigBee 3.0 Smart Thermostatic Radiator Valve Actuators. Smart Life Wireless Remote Control Home Heating Thermostat Temperature Controller. Alexa, Google Home Voice Control. Product Height Light App Remote Control. Download Smart Life /Tuya Smart App on your phone and tablet to control the radiator thermostat valve anywhere, anytime. Hand-free voice control compatible with Amazon Alexa Echo, Google Home Ect. A simply command to voice control the TRV. Programmable weekly schedule and time period. 7-day programmable weekly schedule. 4 time period. Day can be setting on app. Number 4. GIRIER TRV Smart Thermostatic Radiator. Their ZigBee hub is required. Sold separately. Smart Radiator Thermostat adopts a new mini design, with a LCD digital display. The thermostatic radiator valve comes with a of powerful features, including windowing, scale, temporary mode, freezing, low vol warning, and a child lock function. Artificially set indoor temperature, mainly used in floor heating systems to control the closing and opening of pipes. Number 5. Moes Tuya ZigBee 3.0 Radiator Actuator. New fashion and generous design with rotatable screen. ZigBee Smart Long Battery Life Thermostatic Radiator Valve with Tuya ZigBee Hub. Required programmable schedule with weekly programming selection. Alexa and Google Home compatible data logging and child lock function.